Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So we're on to now the 2nd of December, and just a day late, what I've decided to do is show you my Christmas Advent calendar challenge that I'm doing with Rebecca Admore Zest. Used to be 4Kids at 147. I use her storage all the time. This is Rebecca's 3rd year of doing this. This is my 2nd year of joining in with her, and what you do is you just get your canvas, divide it into 24, and like an advent calendar you do open one door a day, or in this case diamond paint one door a day. That was the first section that I did there, and this is today's section for the 2nd of December. I will also be showing myself opening my advent calendar, and also Milly, the Scottie dog, and Hubby opening their advent calendars each day, so you can see what we all got. I think mine's the most exciting because mine's the diamond painting one. Yay! And then when we get to 24, which is the 24th of December, Christmas Eve, what I'm going to do is possibly go live, but if I chicken out, what I'm going to do is read The Night Before Christmas. Hopefully my grandkids might actually watch it, and yeah, I'm just going to start up a little tradition of reading The Night Before Christmas, which is a lovely little story just to get us all in the Christmassy mood, ready for the big day when the big fella in the red cloak and everything comes with his little reindeer. I will also be showing you my Christmas jumper or my Christmas t-shirt of the day. Most of them feature Scottie dogs. Well, in fact, all of them that I've got at the moment feature Scottie dogs. You wouldn't expect anything less, would you? So if there's anything else you'd like to see or want to know about, just pop it in the comments down below. If you're enjoying seeing these little videos, then give me a thumbs up. That would be much appreciated. And if you want to subscribe so that you don't miss any days, then that's that little button down here and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified when each video comes up each day. So thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now. Okay, so as I said, I'm not wearing my Christmas jumper today. Well, not right now because it is very, very hot. So this is day 2's Christmas jumper. It's wonderful. The sleeves all have little love hearts on. And this one has a little Scottie dog with a scarf and a hat. And then it also has an accent, look. And the dachshund's carrying a bauble, and it's all very sparkly and lovely and hearts everywhere. So that's my day 2, 2nd of December's Christmas jumper. Yay! Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So if you saw my video yesterday, you'll see that we opened number 2 on day 1. So in true Liz style, we're going to open number 1 on day 2. Do I ever do anything the right way around? No, was the reply. So it's very, very rattly. What do we think this is? What do we think this is? Okay, so the box opens up this way. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, so they are the Cateared single placers. I hope that's focusing in properly. Are they both round? Let me see. Yep, so we've got 2 round single placers. The little rubber bands are what you put around the bottom of this, so that when you put it into your pen, it grips into your pen. So 2 steel tips there, and they are nice quality there. These I have done an unboxing on them, so if you do want to see that, I'll try and find the link and put it in down below. I don't think I've got a pen. No, I've not got a pen up here that I can put one of these in, but I will get one and I'll show you. But yeah, that's a really good, gosh, that's brilliant. So we've had 4 little mats, 4x4 mats that you can do your own design on, and now 2 steel multi-placers. I love this advent calendar. This is superb. So I'm going to put these back in here for now so I don't lose them, and come back tomorrow and we'll see what we get in the next one. 2nd of December. See what you've got. Got into that one easier than...
No, there is.
Oops, love hearts. Are you sat waiting for your advent calendar? Is it not coming fast enough? You just have to wait a little bit longer. Hey, 5 minutes and they'll come in there, all right? Okay, are we ready? Is it day 2? Is it day 2? Are we ready? Okay, so where's number 2? Where's number 2? That's 22, we don't want that one. That one's 11. Here's number 2. Here's number 2, look. Here's number 2. Let's get it then. Hang on. Let me get it open. Oh. Let's push it. Oh, it's not wanting to come open, look. Let's get it. Oh, what's in this one? Oh, it could just be the same as yesterday. But you did really like them, didn't you? Yeah. Oh, they look nice. Can you get them? No, you can't get them out. Let's get them out then. Let's see. Looks like we're going to have 4 little bits in each one. Oh, that's one that pops out, look. Oh, heck, have you got it? Did you get it? Okay. And number 2. Oh, is that nice? Oh, yes. And number 3. So thank you very much. And then finally, last one. Okay. And you want to just check that there's no more? I think that's it for today. It's all open. It's all empty. Oh, just give it a quick lick out just to make sure. Yes. You've got every single crumb. Okay, say bye. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.